Welcome to the Regio1st Planning Framework tutorial series. In this video, we will explore the monitoring template, a key tool of the 7 stages in Regio1st Planning Framework. This tool supports users in monitoring the implementation of actions. It facilitates the reporting on progress and the evaluation of the effectiveness of various actions and interventions. By using this tool, regional planners can ensure that their energy plans are on track and are achieving the desired outcomes. The monitoring template is a structured tool developed to support regional authorities in efficiently and comprehensively monitoring their progress in implementing actions. It includes tables, graphics, and indicators that assist in tracking and reporting the status and impact of these actions. With this tool, users can systematically record progress, analyze data, and make informed decisions to enhance their energy plans. The added value of the monitoring template lies in its ability to provide a clear, organized, and comprehensive framework for monitoring regional energy plans. By offering ready-made tables, graphical representations, and a list of indicators, it simplifies the complex process of tracking progress and evaluating effectiveness. This tool enables planners to identify areas that need attention, ensure that actions are on schedule, and assess the overall impact of their interventions, thereby enhancing the effectiveness of regional energy planning. The tool includes 4 tabs. The Actions Monitoring tab contains the main table for users to track selected actions from the regional plan. Users fill in action titles, select statuses from a drop-down list, and input relevant indicators based on guidance from the Indicators tab. Additionally, it includes a summary table that presents totals per status, providing an overview of the overall progress. Once data is entered into the Actions Monitoring tab, the Graphic Results tab automatically generates 3 different figures, offering a user-friendly visual representation of the results. These graphics help users quickly grasp the status and the impact of their actions. The Indicators tab provides a list of indicative indicators that users can select or modify to efficiently track the progress of their actions. It ensures that monitoring is aligned with specific goals and metrics relevant to the regional energy plan. The last tab includes a practical example of monitored actions and selected indicators, alongside with their graphical analysis. It serves as a guide to help users understand how to utilize the template effectively and to visualize the expected outcomes. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the monitoring template tool. For more information and resources, visit our website and explore the other tools available in the Regio1st Planning Framework. Stay tuned for more instructional videos in the series.